Hey guys, I'm showing you this smart home camera that you can use for the security purpose. Um, let's open and show you the unboxing and its content and installation process so you know like how this will be used. So this is a manual and the other accessories thing. This is the main camera. So just removing the protective stuff and everything so that it's pretty straightforward. So I'm just fast forwarding all these things so you know there's no waste of time. So these are the all accessories that comes with it. So let's put it aside. And now I will show like this is the camera itself. This is a solid build camera. I can feel it. The plastic and in the hook back is the cable. So one is for the LAN and one is for the power outlet. So you can just put in the power outlet here. The adapter is supplied and you can also use it with the Wi-Fi as well as with the LAN. So this is the coverage for the LAN that you can use. So this also have a micro SD space here. You can open this. So reset button and the micro SD card slot is inside this box. You can see it here. So you can just put in the micro SD card here. You can see the slot. So you can put in the card here and you can reset if you want to, and then this is a waterproof. So once this is installed you can see like all the caps and the stuff. So the LAN, you can also use it with the LAN directly, like if there's no Wi-Fi for in your home or that location. And so just put it in the electric and I will show like you can see the lights on. So this camera got started. You have to download the app. These are the Wi-Fi signal things. So I'm just downloading this app, you can see. So once this app is installed, just allow the notification and everything, get registered or login. Once this is registered, you can add this camera in your app, and that way it is ready to use. So you can operate it through your mobile. You can record the files and everything, and now you can see it here. You know the quality. Uh, it's clear camera. So I'm just setting it up with the sum of those Twitch because the password and everything. So just making it secure. So you have to add with this QR code. So add this device. So once you can add the device, you can see the camera will start working. This is a HD quality video, and it directly captures on your mobile that you can see it here. So here you can see like the quality, like I'm just trying to use a very small text that how this looks, and the quality. So it records all the audio as well as the video, and you can access this through your mobile anywhere you want. So basically a really nice security camera, and you can just put it anywhere you want with the wired connection.